Hello everyone, today we are watching amazing lucky moments on railway tracks where the line between risk and safety is very thin. This video is about raising awareness about Railway Safety Watch. Learn and stay safe. Let's get started.
Mother.
Get back further.
Horrifying moment, Union Pacific train crashes into stuck empty tractor trailer while trying to cross tracks. What a mess. Hope the bridge is not damaged and everyone is okay. Train hits semi-truck in Richmond, Texas.
Huh?
This truck got stuck right in the middle of the railway crossing. Luckily, the driver got out in time.
Paper. This shit is crazy. Oh man, you said it too, babe. Now there's gotta be fire.
Train hits oversized load in Marion, Ohio. Train crashes into tractor trailer in Ackworth, Georgia. No one injured. Brightline accident surveillance video.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Train hits Chick Gatewood beverage truck in Tifton, Georgia.
Oh no. Oh my god. Myself.
CSX train hits car stuck at level crossing. No injuries. SUV crashed into the train and then bounced into a building across the street. Train hits tow truck in Darby, Kansas. Train hits trailer with furniture in Ackworth, Georgia.
Train coming.
I should get out. I'm boxed in. Oh no!
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Do we need to call 911? Get me out of Midland.
Right line train splits truck carrying luxury cars in half, throws Audi into the air. The train was traveling south at about 8 miles per hour when the crash occurred. One person in the car was injured. The incident happened around 1:30 p.m. Friday at the intersection of Teague Street and Avenue D in Moody. No injuries were reported.
Wow.
Oh, this is not good. This car is about to get crushed. Oh!
Train hits semi-truck in Haverstraw, New York.
Ay, Dios.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.